how I saved $10,000 in 6 months. Without a second job, I was drowning in expenses until I tried this. 6 months ago, I was paycheck to paycheck. No side hustles, no second job, just bills, debt, and stress. But today, my bank account has over $10,000 in savings, and I didn't work a single extra hour to get it. How? It wasn't magic, it wasn't luck, it was strategy. Smart, daily decisions that stacked up. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I did it step by step, dollar by dollar, so you can do it too. 1. Mindset. Shift. From consumer to saver. Before you can save, you have to want to save. And not just say it, actually act like it. I had to stop seeing money as something to spend and start seeing it as something to build. I used simple mindset cues, visualizing my future self, writing down money goals, and even sticking post-it notes on my credit cards with messages like, "Will this make future me proud?" I also used a technique called lifestyle deflation. Instead of trying to earn more, I practiced spending less and finding joy in simplicity. This shift made every decision intentional. Step 1. Audit your financial life the honest way. You can't fix what you don't see. I printed out 3 months of my bank and credit card statements and categorized every expense. What I found shocked me: $300 a month on takeout, $40 on random Amazon items, $150 on streaming services I barely used. I created a money leak tracker, marking every non-essential purchase in red. That visual impact changed everything. It wasn't about guilt, it was about control. Awareness is power. Step 2. Build a no-excuse budget and stick to it. Forget those boring spreadsheets. I made a living budget: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, and I flipped it. I prioritized savings first, then worked my life around what was left. Tools I used. Venab, you need a budget for assigning every dollar a job. Rocket Money for tracking and canceling unused subscriptions. Cash envelopes for in-person spending to build discipline. The key, making it visual and automatic. When your budget lives in your face, not in your imagination, you follow it. Step 3. Automate, automate, automate. Every payday, I set up an auto transfer of $400 straight into a high-yield savings account. It happened before I even saw the money, so I didn't miss it. I also created mini goals like $500 by month, 1, $2,000 by month, 3, $10,000 by month 6. Each milestone came with a small reward: a hike, a day off social media, or a budget-friendly celebration. Automation plus reward equals motivation. Step 4. The No Spend Challenge. It works. For 1 month, I challenged myself. No spending on anything non-essential. No clothes, no takeout, no home decor, just groceries, gas, and bills. It was hard but empowering. I replaced shopping with activities. Library books instead of Amazon, meal prepping instead of ordering DoorDash, DIY spa days instead of salon trips. Result? I saved over $850 in 30 days without sacrificing my mental health. 6. Step 5. Cut bills without cutting joy. I didn't cancel everything, I negotiated smarter. Called my internet provider and got $20 a month off. Switched insurance companies for a $300 a year savings. Downgraded my phone plan, same service, half the price. Moved 3 subscriptions to annual billing to save 20%. Most companies want to keep, you just ask. I use this script. I love your service, but I'm working on a tight budget. Are there any current offers or loyalty discounts I qualify for? Over 80% of the time, I saved money. Step 6. Master grocery spending with these 3 rules. This was huge. I slashed my food spending from $700 a month to under $300 using 3 rules. 1. Meal plan weekly. Pick 5 meals, shop only for those 2. Use a cash-only grocery envelope, helps you stay mindful. 3. Buy frozen or store brand. Same nutrition, half the price. I also used apps like Ibotta and Fetch to get cash back on receipts, free money. Step 7. Trick yourself into saving more. I started using a trick called the invisible money rule. Any unexpected money, birthday cash, refund, even coin jar change went straight into savings. It didn't exist for spending. I also rounded up every debit card purchases to the next dollar and swept the difference into savings weekly. It added up fast. 9. Bonus. Sell, declutter, and cash. Out your clutter one weekend, I cleared out my closet, garage, and storage. Listed everything on Facebook Marketplace and eBay. From old furniture to used gadgets, I made over $1,400 in just 2 months. Less clutter, more cash, and a reminder that we often own more than we need. The results? Where the $10,000 came from. Here's the breakdown of how I reached $10,000. Auto savings, $2,400. No spend challenges, $850. Grocery savings, $2,400. Bill reductions, $1,000. Selling items, $1,400. Subscription cuts and cashback, $950. Extra leftover from budgeting, $1,000. No side hustles, no second job, just smarter living. The power of intention. If you're thinking, I could never save that much, let me stop you right there. You can. But it starts with one habit, one choice. Your bank account reflects your mindset, not just your income. Take the $10,000 in 6 months challenge. Like this video if you're ready to change your financial life. Comment I'm in if you're starting today. Subscribe to Nesta for weekly smart finance moves. Bonus, check the video description for a free downloadable $10,000 savings tracker PDF. Share this with a friend who's always saying, I wish I had savings.